Hello everyone, Divakar sir here, 10th class Commercial Studies. Today I will teach you product. Children, what is product? Product क्या होता है? बेटा, yes, a product may be defined as a set of tangible and intangible attributes offered by the sellers to the customers. The psychological aspects of a product is more important than the physical characteristics. For example, when a consumer buy a bathing soap, he is buying goods, complexion rather than some chemicals. You can say a product is much more than a set of physical attributes. It consists of a bundle of benefit which will provide satisfaction to the consumer. Okay, the product which you can see, product is a tangible assets, tangible things you can see, you can touch. Okay, next is services. What is services? Children, yes, what is services? Services being intangible, they cannot touch, they cannot see, only feel. Touched, they cannot be seen, touched and stored for use in future. Services cannot be separated from the service provider because the quality of service cannot be standardized or made uniform all the time. Okay, services refers to those intangible benefits, utilities and satisfaction which are offered for sale. Transportations, communication, banking, insurance, warehousing and advertising and so on. These are the services provided by the service holders. Okay, and next is pricing. What is pricing? Yes, pricing, that means denotes the money value of product or services. It is the amount of money a seller is asking for the product or services he offer for sale of the amount which buyers are to pay for it. According to Clark, the price of articles or services is its market value expressed in terms of money. According to Clark, the price of articles or services is its market value expressed in terms of money is known as pricing. Pricing, that means denotes the value in terms of money, is known as pricing. Then I will talk about difference between product and services. What are the difference between product and services? Yes, point number one is tangibility. Product can tangible, but services cannot tangible. Product can felt and touched, but services cannot be touched. The next, perishability. Product usually durable. You can use long time product, but services usually perishable. Perishable means जो जल्दी खराब हो जाती हैं या जिनको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते आप. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग तो आपकी वो डाउनफॉल हो जाएंगे, वो फिनिश हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज ओनरशिप. ट्रांसफरेबल. प्रोडक्ट कैन ट्रांसफरेबल बट सर्विसेज आर नॉट ट्रांसफरेबल. रिस्क. प्रोडक्ट कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बट सर्विसेज डिलीवर्ड कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेस्ड. Quality. Product can be measured and controlled. Product can be measured and controlled. Difficult, but services difficult to control and measure. Services cannot be measured, but if you want to measure, difficult to control the measures. Next is inventory. Inventory, that means product can be stored. You can save for long time product, but services cannot be stored because services, if you want to store the services, it will be finished. Okay. Next is customization for product increases cost and restrict sales. In services, increases customer delight. Next is market relationship. Product and brand are the focus of the transaction. Product and brand are the focus of the transactions. But services are very important link. Then brand. What is brand? In product, main strategy in product marketing, but in services, people are equally important for each services. So children, understand difference between product and services. First of all, you have to know the difference between product and services. You have to understand the meaning of product and services. Children, already I have explained that what is product and what is services. Product, they can tangible, they can touch, they can see, but services, they cannot touch, they cannot see, they cannot measure. But product you can measure in proper manner. Then pricing. What is pricing? Pricing, that means the product or value denotes in terms of money are known as pricing. Pricing, that means measurement in the terms of value or denote in terms of money is known as pricing. Thank you.